Alright. And then, which graph can be obtained by translating the graph down 7 units? Down 7 units. On the last 2013, there was one that said up 4 units. Remember, when you want to go, if you want to move a function down or up, all you have to do is change this number here. If it's down, subtract by 7. If it's up, add 7, right, to the y-intercept. So here, if it starts at 2, and we're going to go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look for one that intercepts at what, y'all? Negative what? 5. Because 2 minus 7, right, on the calculator, 2 minus 7 equals what, y'all? Negative 5. So is it negative? Which intercepts at negative 5? These are way above here, right? These two are below, so this one's a negative 5, that's at negative 7. So it'll be what? C. Okay? Here it says, okay, whenever it says, y'all, varies directly, that's straightforward. It's easy, right? You shouldn't mess up on this one, because all you have to do is set up one of these proportional thingies, right? And the kilograms is going to be on top, and liters be at the bottom. Somebody asked me, Mr. Mayor, does it matter which one's on top, which one's at the bottom? No, as long as you stay consistent. But I'm going to just choose kilograms. So kilograms 100 on top and 80 liters. What is the volume? So L, volume is for L. When the kilograms is what, y'all? 3.2. So we're going to cross multiply. So this one times that one divided by what, y'all? 100. So say 80 times what? 3.2 divided by what? 100 gives us what? X equals 2.56. Right? Here we have, so I see it kind of looks like a up 4 over, so it kind of looks, I'm going to draw a line, straight line. Something like this, right? Based on the information from the order pair represents an additional point on the graph. Which order pair represents an additional? So this point here is at, what is that, 0, 1? Yeah, 0, 1. This one's at what, 1, 5. This one's at what, 2, 9. This one's at what, 3, 13. This one's at what, 4, what, 17. So we can either make a table, right, and see if the pattern continues. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, and then 6, 7. See which one works. So 0 is 1, 1 is 5, then 9, then 13. Basically, they're adding, on the left side, they're adding 4. From here to here is 4. From here to here is 4. From here to here is what, y'all? 4. From here to here is what? 4, right? So from 1 to 5 is 4. So from 17 to here is 4 plus 17 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So look, is 521? Nope. Is 625? Nope. Is 729? Plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, right? Is 729? Yes. Right? So let's go to the next one. The table shows the functions used to determine the number of points earned every month by regular and elite members of the dining club who spends D dollars that month and participate in restaurants. Okay? So there's regular, there's elite, right? Which statement describes the difference in these situations? Regular members earn 3 more points every dollar spent and automatically rewarded 100 more points per month than elite. Automatic is basically this back part, right? So 100 more, I agree. That's right. That's 100 regular are automatically awarded 100 more than the elite. No, that's not 100 more than the elite, right? Elite's 100 more than regular. So it cannot be that one. It says 200 more. It says 200 more. Elite is 100 more than what? Regular. Because 200 is 1 more 100 than what? 100. So it's going to be what? H. And also elite earns 3 more, right? So it's H. Now you have to read it carefully. You can figure it out. All right, which of the following describes all solutions to the inequality 5x plus xy is greater than what? Or equal to what? 20. Okay? When y is negative 4. So all we really have to do here, y'all, is substitute that y for what? Negative 4 and solve for what? X. So 5x plus, what's 7 times negative 4? I'm just writing it down. It's greater than or equal to 22. So 5x, 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. Greater than or equal to 22. Then add 28 to both sides, right? 5x greater than or equal to 8, that'll be 10, carry the 1, 50, divided by what, y'all? 5. X is greater than or equal to 10. Since we don't divide by a negative 5, then we don't have to change the sign, right? It's going to stay like this. So it's going to be a positive 10, so it can be B or D. And it's opening toward the X, so it has to be what? C. Right? So 38. The table shows playing time, minutes, and high definition videos in the file, right? So basically X is increasing by what, y'all? It looks like by 1. Whoa, from here to here is 1. From here to here is 0.5. From here to here it's 2.5. From here to here it's 0.5. From here to here is what, y'all? 60 to 180 is 120. Right? You can use your calculator. And then 240 minus 180 is 60 plus 60. And then 240 and 540 is 300 and 300. And from here to here it's 60. What does the slope of the graph of the situation represent? Remember, y'all, slope is what? Ooh, they have the same problem on the last one, y'all. So they're going to ask you something like this. Y is what? The file size per what? Time. Right? Or each, for each. Right? So the increase in file size of video per minute. File size per minute, which is time. Might be this one. Let's read the file size. Nope, the file size is just what? The Y, the range. So nope. The playing time, that's just X. We want to, do both of them. The increase in the playing time per video. No, remember, it's file size is Y over what? Remember, slope is rise over run. So file size over, it's in minutes, right? So file size, right? So it's in minutes. So it's going to be F. Here, y'all, it's a pretty simple one. Okay, the range. Range is your what, y'all? Y. So let's pay attention to this, just to this line here. Okay? Who cares about the X? Scribble it out. Who cares about the X? We're talking about the range. The range is from what? -3. Starts at -3, right? And ends at what? 3. So we can cancel out A and B. Range is Y. So there's the Y's right there. But what do y'all notice here? It says that what, y'all? Equal. So for -3, it's equal. See that? Equal sign right there? Can be C. And then at 3, it's open. See that open circle? That means it's open. It's not equal to. So it has to be what, y'all? D.